Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and watching the classes. Yes, so welcome to the class and we will move for our next words to learn. Okay, so here today we are going to learn about the occupation and professions. Okay children, so all of you take out your English textbook and the page number is 106 here, which is given 106 means 106. So today children we are going to see some of the common occupations and professions. Okay, so here occupation means job and the profession means business. Yes, so our mothers and fathers, they do some type of jobs or business. Yes children, so some of your parents are, they maybe are the teachers or they are doing the job in the companies, or professors, lecturers, doctors, or they are the farmers. So there are the different kinds of works what they do. Okay, so some of the professions or the occupations which we are going to see in our today's class. So let's start the class children, and here which I am going to show you the first occupation which is here given is on the page number 106 is a teacher. Okay, so here the spelling of the teacher which is given here Teacher, teacher. You know children, who is the teacher? Who teaches you the lessons. Okay, who improve your knowledge level. Yes, every day you come to school. For what you come to school? For studying. So who teaches you here in the school? Your teacher. Yes, so here the teacher means who teaches you the lessons is called a teacher. Okay, next one is the next word what is given here? Engineer, engineer. So what is an engineer? Who is this person? Is this an occupation or profession? So let's see the meaning of the engineer. Who is the engineer? What does he do? Okay, so the engineer means the person who designs the designs of the buildings, machines, or any structure. You know children, when we start to construct a house, so before that we want the design or a map of the building which we are going to build. Okay, so an engineer comes there, he take the measurement of the land, and then according to that he plans or he designs the map of a building, how to construct it. Okay, so like that machines or any other structures, whatever the designs, like cars also, vehicles also, first they made the designs. So for that we need an engineer. Okay, so engineer means the person who designs the builds or machines or the structures. That person is called the engineer. Okay, so once again we are going to read the engineer spelling is ENGINEER, engineer. Okay, and the next one is which is the profession? POTTER, potter. What is this potter children? Potter means, you know children, now which season is going on? Yes, summer has started, no? So in summer season we like to drink the cool water, cold water. Am I right? So many of many of your families drink only the pot water, in the Ranjan water, which are made with the clay. Okay, so you know children, these clay items, clay pots, ranjans, and we use the pots to plant trees or plants. That pots also, flowering pots which are made with the clay. You know all these things who prepare? Potter. Understood? So whatever the clay items are prepared or made with the clay, these are made by the potter. Okay, POTTER, potter. Next one is mechanic, M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C. So who is the mechanic, children? Suppose your father has a bike and it got the repaired, means it is not going to start. So what he does? What did he do at the time? He takes it to the mechanic to repair it. So whatever the vehicles or machines are going to repair, it is done by the mechanic, the person who repair the vehicles or machines, okay, which got repaired, which got damaged. So they are done by the mechanic. So the mechanic spelling is M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, mechanic. Okay, and the next word is which is given here, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. You know the meaning of farmer, children? See, every day we eat the food. Okay, so in our food, what we eat? We eat rice, we eat chapatis, we eat the dals. Okay, all type of pulses and vegetables. We eat the fruits. And you know from where we get all these? From trees and plants. You will say, I know. But you know, children, who grow this all? Yes. So these all the vegetables, paddy, pulses, everything is grown by the farmer who works day and night in the fields and look after the crops, look after the fields. They work in the agricultural fields. So who look after the crops and done the work in the fields is called a farmer. Okay, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Next one is, what is the profession of the next one is? P-H-O-T-O-G-R-A-P-H-E-R, photographer. Who is the photographer is? When you go and attend the marriages or any other functions, there some of the people who take the photos with the camera and take the videos also, video shooting. So the person who takes the does the videos is called the photographer. Understood? You might be seen in the marriages, in the weddings, functions, in birthdays, the person who stands in front of the stage and takes the photos with the camera, he is called the photographer. Okay, next one is actor. A-C-T-O-R, actor. So what is this, children? An actor. You know the meaning of actor is, you watch the films, serials on the television. So like your favorite heroes might be, what is that, Ravi Teja or Venkatesh. I'm not getting the names of the new heroes. Prabhas, yes, Prabhas or Mahesh Babu. There are the many heroes who work in the films, who does the acting of the in the films. So they are called the actor. Okay, they are called the actors. So the person who does the action or acting in the films or in the serials is called the actor. Okay, and next one is D-A-N-C-E-R, dancer. So who is this dancer, children? Who does the dance? No? So the person who does the dance, who knows the dancing, is called the dancer. Okay. Next one is W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, watchman. Who is this watchman, children? You know, at night time, who guards our home? Not only home, there are the many big apartments which are there, and the person who look after that is called the watchman. Okay, so here the spelling of the watchman is W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, watchman. Watchman means the person who guards our home is called the watchman. Okay, and the next last one is G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Who is the gardener is? Gardener means who will be in the garden and look after all the plants and about the garden. Who takes care, who look after the garden, about all the trees and plants, cut down the trees, everything, watering the plants, cutting the trees, cutting the grass in the garden, everything, who look after it is called the gardener. Okay, so here today we have seen the children some of the common occupations and the professions. Okay, so in that we have seen who is the teacher. Teacher means who teaches us the lessons. Engineer means the person who designs or builds machines or structure. Potter means who makes the clay items like pots, ranjans, flowering pots. Pramidalu means diyas, which we lit on the Deepavali festival. Okay, so all the clay items which are made by the potter. Then is mechanic. Mechanic means a skilled worker who repairs the machines and the vehicles is called the mechanic. Next one is farmer. Farmer who grows the crops in the fields. Who grows the crops, vegetables and fruits in the fields is called the farmer. Then is photographer. The person who clicks the photos in the weddings, in the marriages, in the functions, parties is called the photographer. And next one is actor. Actor who does the acting in the cinemas or in the serials is called the actor. Next, dancer. Dancer means who does the dance, who knows the dance is called the dancer. Watchman means who guards our home, apartments, big hotels, or like near the gold shop, like security guard we call them. So here is the watchman who guards our home. And next one is gardener, who look after the garden or the park, everything, whatever, like watering the plants and doing all the cuttings and all of the grass, everything about the plants, he look after that. Okay, so all these occupations which we have seen in our today's class. Hope you all have understood, children, what are these occupations and professions in today's class. So you have to learn these spellings, children, read it and learn it. Hope you all have enjoyed the class. So soon we are going to meet in our next class with the new and another occupations and professions. Okay, children. So till then you have to take care yourself. Stay home. Stay happy. Bye.